Okay, now today our objective is to solve real-life problems involving linear inequalities in two variables. Okay, I have here two examples that we are going to discuss with. Okay, let's have the first one. Okay, our first problem that we are going to discuss involving linear inequalities in two variables. Here, the bus has a left seat L and a right seat R with a maximum seating capacity of 48 persons. Now to translate that one, so here, okay, now, so left seat L and right seat R with the maximum seating capacity. So maximum, it's 48 is the maximum. So meaning to say it's the sum of these two is less than or equal to 48. Okay, let's go on the letter B. Now letter B here, if the right seat of the bus can accommodate only 23 persons, then how many persons can sit on the left part of the bus? So the right seat, shall we say R, equals, so it can accommodate only 23 persons, so you have 23. And then let's try to recall on the inequality that we have. Okay, that's L, left seat, plus the right seat is less than or equal to 48. Now, so what you are going to do is just substitute or replace the R with 23 so that you can find the left seat of the bus. So that would be L plus 23 is less than or equal to 48. Then you do add by negative 23, it's opposite, so that this one will be 0. Do the same on the other side. Okay, so you have L, this one is 0. Okay, so 48 minus 48 plus negative 23, so you are going to subtract 8 minus 3, that is 5, and 4 minus 2, that is 2. So meaning to say, therefore we say that the left seat of the bus can accommodate only 25 persons. Okay, here is the answer for that letter B. Okay, now let's go on our second example. Second problems that we are going to work with. Okay, now here it's Mr. Tony bought 4 kilograms of soybeans S and 3 kilograms of brown sugar B and paid of not more than 463 pesos. So to translate that one, the mathematical representation for that, it's here. Okay, the 4 kilograms of soybeans, 4S, plus 3 kilograms of brown sugar here, and paid of not more than. So meaning to say, since it's not more than, so it's less than or equal to 463 pesos. Now let's go work with the letter B. Now letter B here says that if a kilogram of brown sugar is 45 pesos, so that's I am going to write that one. So brown sugar is equal to 45 pesos. A kilogram of brown sugar is 45 pesos. Then how much is the cost of a kilogram of soybeans? So the question is, a kilogram of soybeans, how much is that? So let's work with this. So let's copy the inequality that we have. So that is 4 S soybeans plus the 3 brown sugar is less than or equal to 463. Okay, so we will just replace that the brown sugar, which is 45. So you have 4S plus 3 times 45. Okay, so you have 4S here. 3 times 45, you have 3 times 5, that is 15. You have 1. 3 times 4, 12, plus 1, that is 135. Okay, now, so you are going to add by negative 135, so that this one will be 0. Okay, sorry. So 135. Okay, so you have 4S. Okay, this is 0, and 463 plus negative 135, so you are going to subtract since they are not, the sign is not the same, it's in addition. So 3 minus 5, so you need to borrow here from 1. Okay, it's 13, so meaning to say this is 8. You have 5 minus 3, that is 2, and you have 3. And then next thing that you are going to do, since there is a number beside S, so you are going to divide it by 4, so that this one will become 1. Do the same on the other side. So therefore you say that 4 divided by 4, that is 1. So that is 1s, or s is less than or equal to 32 divided by 4, that is 8, and 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So meaning to say, therefore, we say that a kilogram of soya beans S is less than or equal to 82 pesos. Okay?